Alright, what's up? Cochran here. Do a pretty short video. One time I was hunting with my trusty Burris and my 308 Remington 16-inch barrel. It was like 20 degrees. I was sitting in the stand all day long, and it was snowing really hard. I could see like 250 yards out, and I was thinking, is this snow going to affect my shot? And most of y'all might already know, but I didn't really thought about that before. So I looked at my phone. It said that the air from the bullet blows all the rain and snow out of the way, that it doesn't affect it. The wind can affect the bullet, but the rain can't. Well, we're going to, not a real scientific experiment here, but we're going to shoot out there. I got a 10-inch plate. My Burris says it's 420 yards. I'll try to get a shot through the scope so you can see it. It's way across the pond over there. I can kind of see the target with my bare eye. It's dark because of the rain. Then I got the little Canon over here, the little Rebel. I got a new lens though, 600mm on there, so we'll video it through that, and let's see what happens. Go. There you go. One shot, 420 yards, 10-inch plate. I'm so fired up. One bullet's all it takes. It's coming down pretty good out here, so I guess the rain does not affect the bullet flight. At least we got a little bit of evidence that says so. Cochran, there you go.